behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome you to the world famous of the Jungle River Cruise. So, my name is Joey. I'll be your skipper tonight. Hello. How are you guys? How are you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good, pretty good, pretty good. So, before we go, just a few more reminders. During the journey, please keep all your legs, hands, and all your body parts and the electronic device with you inside the boat. And let's go! Woo! So you can see on your left hand side, except the grass, we got nothing right there. And on the right hand side, you know what this is?
Tarzan's treehouse.
Tarzan's treehouse. But do you know why there's no people up there?
Because it's closed.
No, it's because Tarzan went for the adventure and lost the key. So no one could go up there. Well, but we can swim over it still. But just be careful with the butts, because the crocodiles love the butts. They will eat them, alright? So, this is the entrance of the forest. So we will go back after 3 days and 2 nights, because this is the longest river in the world. So you can see we have the mommy elephant and the baby elephant here. And on the right hand side, this is their brother. And he loves to shower. But that's why he got so ugly, see? That's why we don't take a long shower. Just like me, I don't take a shower once a month. So you get a good skincare. And this is their father elephant. And he's the naughtiest one because he loves to play with water. But we are safe now. It's almost fell asleep. Whew. And see what else we can see here. Do you know what this called?
Spider?
Spider, yeah. People call them spider outside. But you know what we call them here? A lobster. Because they taste delicious. Yeah. Wow. You see, there's the temple right here. You know, sometimes we wish for the, when we pass by the temple. So let's make a wish, okay? I hope everyone get rich. So people can come more often. So you can get a race too. Yay! Woo! Oh, that's a crab, bro. I couldn't see that. So let's keep moving. Ooh! You see what is up here? What it is? Can you see that? What is that?
Crocodile?
Crocodiles. Yeah, but they got names too. So, like that one, facing backward to us, that is the Louis Vuitton. And those on the left hand side, those are the Gucci's. They're the fancy one. And this is the International Scientist Campsite. And you may see some people, some of our scientists around the world. So, oh, wait a second. Get down! Get down, sir! The gorilla! Come there, gun! Okay, hold on tight. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got to find the scientist back. This is crazy. This is too dangerous. Oh, are you okay?
I'm
alright.
okay?
Okay, touch yourself. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Any holes inside?
I don't
Any holes
think so.
here? No?
No.
No, except the... No?
Yeah.
So, we should be safe now. Whew. And this is the African safari. And you can see we got lots of the animals here. You can see the giraffe, African elephant, and the zebras. But don't ask me where the zebra is. Zebra is always working. Whew. Oh, and this is the African elephant's wife. So this is the scariest animal in the Africa. Make sure no one scare her out. Because the girls are always right. So, let's keep going. Bye-bye. Go keep your arguments. Bye-bye. And now we are at the dangerous hippo pool. The reason why they are dangerous is because they always love to eat the boat. Last month they already ate 3 of mine. I don't have any more money left to fix the boat. They're so naughty. Oh, we got some party happening. Seems like they know we have the 20th anniversary. Oh, wait a second. I know who they are. They are the scientists right there. And that's my colleague. You know what his name?
What's his name?
His name is Skip. This is Skipper Skip. So,
Skip?
yes, his name is Skip. That's why I couldn't find him at lunch. Should we save him?
Yes.
Yes? Who? Who should we save? Okay. Who should we go?
I can go.
You can go?
Yeah.
Okay, I will save you. You can go. Yay! I'll wait for you. Do you know how to swim?
Maybe not.
Or could you jump this far? I think this around 24 feet. Yeah?
Maybe not.
No, maybe not. Alright. Okay. Hey, Skip! Bye! I'll pick you up tomorrow! If I remember. So now, we're heading inside the deepest of our forest. That's the local village. But no worries. You see? This cannon's here. He's smiling. That's why you can see his eyes. Whew. So, let's say hi together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello! Oh my God, there's so many of them! Oh no! Are you okay?
I'm alright.
You alright? You sure
Yes.
about that? Okay. Touch yourself. You got any poison darts on you? Because it's illegal to bring it back. Okay. Oh, you got hit here. Whew. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We don't have any more extra people here.
No.
Oh, wait. You see that guy right there? Oh, no. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Otherwise, he's following you to go back home. Whew. So now we're going back. So, uh-oh. So, hold on! Oh my God. Oh. Salty. I should have peed in the water. Wow. Hold on. I think we got blocks in the rock. Okay, let's turn them around. Uh-oh. I think we are stuck here. Oh my God. You got any marshmallows? I think it's a barbecue time. I'm hot. Okay. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, let's put out a fire together. You want. Where are we leaving now? Smells so bad. We did it!
Yeah!
High five! Yay! Oh, what a night, huh? Hello, baby elephant. Hi. So, we're already back. So make sure your arms is inside the boat and say goodbye to it. Bye-bye. We will never see you again. Bye. So, if my boat hasn't stopped yet, please remain seated. When you're leaving, you can use the middle door or the back door, but don't climb over the windows. This window will bring people in the gorillas. That's why we don't climb over here. So, if you like this journey, remember my name is Joey. If you didn't like it at all, remember my friend here. This is Alfia. So remember her, okay? So my boat is stopped, so you may go now. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Have a good party tonight.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.